So I'm going to show you today how to do an animal in Scratch. You are going to go up to Create. Once you are signed in, you can see that I'm signed in. There's my username. Go to Create. And you're going to come up with your project. You want to delete your cat. We're not going to use our cat. And I just want to touch base on reminding you that this is our code tab. We have our backdrops tab and we have our sounds tab. We're going to be working in the code tab and everything is color coded, all of your categories. So if I'm in a purple block, but you can't find it, is it saying something that has to do with sound? It might be in the other block. So make sure you are looking at what the words say, okay? So we're going to start by creating a new animal. So I am going to go up here and I'm going to name this project animal. And I want you to put your class period. So if you're period 2, if you're period 3, if you're period 8, I want you to put your class period. Okay. So you're going to go down here and you're going to select a sprite. You can see when I hover over it, I don't click it, I just hover it. It gives me the magnifying glass, the paintbrush, and a surprise. I'm going to go to choose a sprite, and up at the top, you'll see categories. We're going to go to animals, okay? And I'm going to choose any animal. You can choose any animal you want. I'm going to choose a monkey, okay? And you're going to name it. How you name it is going to be right here, and I'm going to name this BB. So that's my monkey. Okay, and I'm going to go add a backdrop the same way that I added a sprite. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to choose a backdrop. Now, monkeys are generally outside. So there's my monkey and my backdrop. Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to start my event. Every code needs an event. So you will always see us starting with either when green flag clicked, when a key is pressed. It always needs something to start the code. So when green flag clicked, we are going to grab a forever loop. If you go down into control, you're going to see your loops. We're going to grab a forever loop. You're going to go over to the looks and you're going to grab say. Say is going to allow your animal to say whatever you want. So I'm going to say, hello, my name is, and you just put your cursor in there and type BB. And then I'm going to say glide. So I'm going to go to motion and I'm going to glide 1 second to a random position. Then I want to go to looks and I'm going to go find change color, effect by 25. When I hit my green flag, you should see him change and say his name. Hello, my name is BB. He's gliding to a random position and he's changing a color. Make sure you hit the stop to make him stop running the code and hit save now. That way your project is saved. Now, I want you to see if you could add another animal and a conversation. So, hello, my name is BB. Now, maybe I could put down here, so let's see what happens. Hello, my name is BB. What's your name? Hello, my name is BB. What's your name? Hello, my name is BB. What's your name? And it just repeats. Hit stop. And now you can add another sprite. So go to animals and maybe there's a hedgehog and this will be Larry. You can make them whatever you want. This is your option to be creative. Now I know that I could go in there and repeat all of that code. So I'm going to go get a forever loop and I'm going to go my name is Larry for 2 seconds, and maybe Larry glides, and maybe Larry changes color or changes size. Save your project and see what else you can add. Can you add a third